my name is Logan Starr, and that's Logan Starr with a double R, and I thought it would be fun to show you what I'm working on the piano. I am currently trying to learn as much as I can of the piano this year so I can play music to my songs. So yeah, here we go.